Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we embark on a journey through the remarkable saga of the Scottish independence movement, focusing on the courageous leadership of William Wallace and his compatriots. The title of today's presentation is Bravehearts and Freedom, the Scottish Independence Movement. In the late 13th century, Scotland faced the oppressive rule of Edward I of England. William Wallace, born around 1270, emerged as a charismatic and strategic leader, symbolizing the spirit of Scottish defiance. The Battle of Stirling Bridge in 1297 showcased Wallace's tactical brilliance and marked a turning point in the fight for freedom. In September 1297, Wallace and his outnumbered Scottish forces achieved a stunning victory against the English at Stirling Bridge. The tactics employed, including the use of the natural terrain to their advantage, demonstrated the resourcefulness of the Scottish warriors. In 1320, the Declaration of Arbroath asserted Scotland's sovereignty and justified resistance against English oppression, with figures like Robert the Bruce supporting the cause. While Wallace remains a symbol of resistance, Robert the Bruce emerged as a key figure in securing Scotland's independence. His triumph at the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314 marked a crucial milestone on the path to freedom. The struggle for Scottish independence was not confined to Wallace and Bruce alone. Figures like Andrew de Moray, who fought alongside Wallace, and James Douglas, who famously carried the heart of Robert the Bruce to the Holy Land, played integral roles in this saga of resistance. Legend has it that after Bruce's death, James Douglas carried the embalmed heart of his fallen comrade into battle. This symbolic act, known as the Heart of Douglas, exemplifies the unwavering commitment of these freedom fighters. In conclusion, the Scottish independence movement, led by William Wallace and continued by figures like Robert the Bruce, Andrew de Moray, and James Douglas, stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of freedom. Their sacrifices and resilience inspire us to reflect on the value of liberty and the lengths to which individuals will go to secure it. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Scotland's freedom fight. May the legacy of these brave hearts continue to kindle the flame of liberty for generations to come.